Hello all. Today we are discussing about agriculture microbiology ARSNet questions memory based. The test is conducted in online mode. There are 150 questions in total with 4 options. Some of the questions I can recollect from the exams are here. First question is, what is phytotoxins? What is phytotoxins? Any guess? Okay. The substances that inhibit the growth of plants. Phytotoxins are substances that are poisonous or toxic to plants. For example, taptoxin produced by Pseudomonas syringae. Another example for phytotoxins. Amylovorin is a polysaccharide. Amylovorin is a polysaccharide from Erwinia amylovora. So, phytotoxins are substances that inhibit the growth of plants. Next, what is lyophilization? Lyophilization is the freeze drying for preservation. Here, the removal of water is occurred to improve the shelf life of perishable materials. Lyophilization is the freeze drying for preservation to improve the shelf life of perishable materials. Which microorganisms cause spoilage of eggs? Pseudomonas fluorescens, Proteus, melanovogens. What is the genetic material in T2 phage? What is T2 phage? T2 phage are infective bacteriophage which induce infection in E. coli bacteria, Escherichia coli. In Escherichia coli, T2 phage induce infection. Double-stranded DNA. Double-stranded DNA is the genetic material in T2 phage. Buoyancy in aquatic microbe is due to gas vesicles. So, gas vesicles are responsible for the buoyancy in aquatic microbes. What is worm? VAM worm. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae. Pure culture can be obtained by which method? We all know the answer. Straight plate method. What is the economic significance of Beauveria bassiana? What is Beauveria bassiana? She is a fungus. Causes white muscardine disease, used as a biological pest control. Here the chalky white the fungus Beauveria bassiana, which is highly used as a biological pest control agent. Cellulose containing medium is used for the culturing of which microorganisms? Cellulolytic bacteria and fungi. What is MIC? Minimum inhibitory concentration. What is MIC? The lowest concentration of a substance which prevents visible growth of a bacteria. Which pathogen was discovered by Hansen? Mycobacterium leprae. What is the mode of action of penicillin? What is penicillin? Penicillin is an antibiotic. Inhibits cell wall formation. What is infection thread? Cellulosic pectin bound tube through which rhizobacteria enter root cells. Here the picture shows the infection thread. Through which rhizobia enter root cells. What is TATAAT? Adenine thymine sequence, that is the promoter site on DNA for transcription. Sorry, here the answer is already here. How many components does nitrogenase have? 2. What is nitrogenase enzyme? What is the use? Any guess? Nitrogenase enzyme is used for the reduction of nitrogen to ammonia. There are 2 components, dinitrogenase and dinitrogenase reductase. What is the final product of decomposition of organic matter? What is the final product? We all know that humus. Humus is the final product of decomposition of organic matter. The organic component of soil formed by decomposition of leaves and other plant materials by soil microorganisms. Here the picture shows the humus components. What is TEM? TEM, TEM. Transmission electron microscope. What are nodulins? Genes that cause changes favorable to nodule formation in legumes like host specificity, root hair curl. That is, nodulins are organ-specific plant proteins induced during symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Nodulins are organ-specific plant proteins which induced during symbiotic nitrogen fixation. What is the function of glutaraldehyde? Glutaraldehyde is used for sterilization of equipments. What is chemotaxis? Movement of organism in response to chemical stimuli. There are 2 types of chemical stimuli, chemoattractants and chemorepellents. Bergernicia is found in what kind of soil? Acidic soil. What is Bergernicia? Bergernicia are free-living nitrogen-fixing aerobic microorganisms. Which microorganisms act as sugarcane symbiont? Acetobacter disotrophicus. Acetobacter disotrophicus act as sugarcane symbiont. What is the function of mesosomes? Here the picture shows the mesosomes. Aid in cell division. Aid in cell division by cell wall formation during cell division, chromosome replication, or act as a site for oxidative phosphorylation. So what is the functions of mesosomes? Aid in cell division. Bradyrhizobium is an example of which kind of bacteria? What is bradyrhizobium? It is a gram-negative soil bacteria. Symbiotic nitrogen-fixing gram-negative soil bacteria. Thank you all. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and press the bell icon.